Hello, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a brand new video. This week on a Magic Roundabout we're going small. This is a DMC challenge, and the challenge for this month is any military vehicle. I've got a few here, but time constraints and everything else, I'm going to do this small Matchbox water carrier. Okay, well, as you watch this go around, I'd like to welcome any new friends to the channel and welcome back all my old friends. Thanks very much for sticking with me, and thanks for all your nice comments and your constructive criticisms, which is always welcome. Every day is a learning day, as you all know. Right, let's get this off the Magic, get it on the bench and have a look at it. Here we are then. Let's have a closer look at this old girl. Yeah, let's have a read. The Austin 200-gallon water tank, Lesney, number 71. Number 71. Got a bent axle. We can take that out. I don't often do small ones, as you know. So we're going to have a look at this one. We're going to grind off the axles, as per. We'll get them out. We can either grind them off, we can use a file. We'll see how easy it is to get it off with a file. Get these out of here. Probably quicker to do it with a grinding wheel, actually. Well, you've seen this done so many times by so many different channels. Yeah, this is the DMC challenge, Diecast and Modders community, which is getting steady growth at the moment on Facebook, which is great. We're a very relaxed community. We haven't got any, apart from the standard rules, we're not route counters or anything like that, and we're not, we're just relaxed and enjoy ourselves. We're not always post every day, but it's there if you need us. If we can help people out, we will. And newcomers are very, very welcome. We're not experts. I don't consider anybody to be an expert. It's all about having fun and enjoying yourself. What it's all about. My old dad used to say, life's too short. You don't get a dress rehearsal. We're getting this off. Far off now, I shouldn't think. Come on, you bugger. Let's see if we can pull this through now. Yep. Let's pull that through. I better get a tub. Oh, I'm going to get the other one off. Okay, stripped it off. Took the base out. I had to tweak this cab forward slightly to get that spare wheel out because it was wedged in there. So I took, you be careful because it's quite flimsy, this actually. So, right, caustic soda time. There's the base. That's the old water tanker. Cleaned up. Polished up. Base plate done. Axles cleaned up. So we can get some primer on it and we'll get some paint on it. There you go, paint's all done. I skipped forward a little bit actually because I was running out of time. I've got the axles and wheels back on, but essentially it's painted, it's just drying now. It's got a matte varnish over the top. This camo pattern, you're thinking, what the hell's that? Well, years ago they used to have a camouflage pattern called Mickey Mouse. It was called the Mickey Mouse camouflage pattern. If you look it up, you'll see. And it's supposed to be like Mickey Mouse's ears. And they put them on these early army vehicles to represent like a early camo pattern. So this is what's on here. I thought I'd do something different because it was a bit, you know, plain. I thought, well, yeah, I'll do this. So that's what we've got here. The Mickey Mouse camo pattern. You can see I've got on the roof, I've got a couple of ears. That's how it's supposed to be. If you look it up, you'll see what I'm on about. So it's olive drab and black. I blacked out the hubs. I've done it a black bumper and black radiator grille. Yeah, so that's it. So we'll have a look what it looks like on a magic roundabout then. This is what we started with. Matchbox army vehicle water carrier. And this is what we ended up with. Have a look. Here it is then. Matchbox water carrier in olive drab with the Mickey Mouse camo pattern in black. This is for the DMC challenge. Any military vehicle. I thought I'd do something different. Yeah, it's all a bit of fun. Nothing too serious, so take it for what it is. There you go. Well, I think next month's DMC challenge, Diecast and Modelers Community, is any TV related vehicle. So that should be interesting. Not sure what to do yet. Got plenty to choose from. So there you go. This is it. Matchbox water carrier in the Mickey Mouse camouflage fashion. If you're interested, just Google it and have a look at images. I mean, this is not exactly strictly how it would be. It's very, very similar. But have a matter of interest, just look it up and you'll see what I'm on about. Right, okay then. That's me done. I'll see you all very shortly. Bye for now.